Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by getting the basics ready. Connect your Xbox controller to the PC with a USB cable or pair it over Bluetooth, and make sure Rpcs3 is up to date. Install the official Xbox drivers on Windows so the OS recognizes the pad. On Linux, install Xboxdev or ensure SDL2 supports it. Once done, open Rpcs3 and go to Configuration Settings. This first step is crucial because the emulator must see the controller before you map buttons. You now configure input. In Rpcs3, open Configuration and select the Pads tab. Choose Pad 1 and set the device type to X input if your Xbox controller uses X input. Pick DualShock 3 only when using emulated layouts. Click Input Device and pick your controller from the list, then map face buttons, triggers, sticks, and directional pad. Make sure to set stick dead zones and sensitivity. This avoids drift. Once mappings look correct, test with the on-screen indicators to confirm each input registers. Finish by launching a PS3 game and verifying gameplay controls. Use Rpcs3 pad tester to confirm button presses and analog movement. If something fails, make sure the OS recognizes the controller, replug the USB cable or repair via Bluetooth, and restart Rpcs3. If buttons are mapped wrong, return to pads and rebind them, or change the device type between X input and SDL2 to resolve compatibility. One key troubleshooting tip: update or reinstall drivers and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.